I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing security settings on your Telstra 2026 can help protect your device and personal information. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Access settings. Open the main menu on your Telstra 2026 and scroll to find the settings option. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 2. Navigate to security. Within the settings menu, look for the security section. This is where you can adjust various security features. Step 3. Change password. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Quick gotcha: if you forget your current password, you may need to reset your device to regain access. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone. Step 5. Review app permissions. Finally, check the app permissions under the security settings. Make sure only trusted apps have access to sensitive information. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Telstra 2026. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out.